Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data to avoid any payments. Then we can enter the Play Store, and of course, if you're not currently signed in, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in, and after that simply tap on the circle which is your account. Then manage apps and device and tap on manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of installed apps and we have to tap on updates available to check which we can update. As you can see, I do not have a lot of them to be updated. So basically, let me pick maybe Google. This is what you have to do. So if you've got the app you'd like to update, just tap on it, mark it. You can mark all of them, of course, if you want to. And then all you have to do is tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. Right now, your device will simply download the update. And after that, the update will be installed and the app will be obviously automatically updated. So from now on, you don't really need to do anything. Just patiently wait. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.